What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm fucking tired. I just woke up. It's fucking 10:30. I have my day off from work today, so I don't even know what we're gonna do today. But if you're new to the channel, make sure to go hit that subscribe button. That would help a lot. But today, fix this headlight. I need to fix this headlight. I need to clean this headlight. Do something to get all that fucking nasty shit off of it. Dirty headlight. Not as dirty headlight. So we'll probably be doing both headlights today. I want to try to do a headlight restoration on it today. Maybe we could do these too. The daytime running lights. That'd be pretty cool. To make them nice and clean again. But yeah. We need dogs. Well, I'm so fucking thankful, excuse my language, I am really thankful for everybody subscribing, getting me to almost 70 subs. That's insane. I was at 54 yesterday, and out of nowhere, like 14 subs like that in a day, which was shocked me. It was crazy. I was so surprised. Like, I'm so thankful that is happening. Man, it's just crazy because like I started 3 weeks ago, and then like it's just progressing like a little faster every day, and I'm grateful that y'all like the videos and y'all are watching it and y'all are commenting it and liking them. It just shows me that like people like to watch the videos, and that's awesome, and makes me happy, and it makes me want to give y'all more content. So I want to say a while back in one of my videos, I wanted to do a headlight restoration on my headlight because one of them looked really bad compared to the other one. So that's what we're gonna do today. I got invited to go to Houston Sunday, so I might put that Sunday vlog into this vlog too, because this vlog is gonna be pretty short. But anyways, Sunday, Jose invited me to go to Houston because they're going to a museum, and then also I'll see you at the shop with the headlight restoration. Peace. Oh, I bought a kit to do it myself, and I'm gonna set up everything right now. This is my first time doing something like that, so I don't know how well this is gonna go. Did I bring my stuff? No, I did not, dude. I did not bring my tripod. I did not bring the gimbal. Fuck, I gotta go all the way home just to go get my shit. Well, I'll see y'all guys back. Sorry guys, I'm not doing the head restoration light on my thing right now because Bay's taking me out to eat. Okay, well, I'm taking Bay out to eat. So I'll see y'all in Newts. And I'm about to get some boba tea. I think I'm gonna get the Thai tea with the lychee. My finger got in the way. What are you gonna get?
I'm gonna get the green tea and...
You ain't get a shit. What are you gonna get?
The green tea and black pearls.
Black balls. Green tea. So the food came and it looks good. That looks too healthy. Just read, it's been a while since I had one of these. Leave a comment and tell me your favorite boba tea. Also leave a like if you fuck with boba tea. Dude, I keep on putting my finger in the way. The vlogger right there. Sorry guys, we just got done eating and the shit was good. And I'm still trying to kill my boba tea. So now I'm gonna go and do my head restoration lights. I'm gonna go fix my lights. I'm gonna go fix my light on my car. My bad. What's up guys, I'm back at the shop. Jose just came out of nowhere. He's like, you fucked up on your masking, so I'm gonna do it for you. So that's what he's doing. You wanna look at the difference now? You saw how it was, right?
Yeah. Still filming?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
That's crazy, right?
Damn. You're like done then?
Well, I gotta apply the coat, and that's it. And then, dude, that's crazy. Like, I mean, there's still like stuff in it, but like, dude, it's like way better than it was.
Thank you, my perspective.
I don't have any here.
I know, but that's how you stuff.
Well, I mean, it has scratches and all that. I mean, like, it needs to be buffed, but you can like see scratches.
The bottom is still kind of like
Hazy, but I can't get the bottom from how it is. I would have to take the whole headlight out. I mean, it's still
better than what it was.
dude. Yeah, it was. Well, I guess I'm gonna do this time to not film it. So guys, I'll get closer for y'all. Screw the train, but it looks so much better than it did before. Fuck you, train. Because this was all hazy. Now you can see it. Watch, I'm gonna turn the headlights on, and y'all can probably see the halos in there. Oh yeah, it's so much better. I mean, yeah, there's some scratches and all that, but it's way better than it was. I need someone to buff it for me, but dude, it's so much better than it was. Like, you can tell the difference. Light to this headlight. Now that means I gotta do, sorry the camera stopped, but you can tell the big difference between the headlights now. Or it could just be the masking tape. So I'm gonna take that off real quick. Guys, so there is a very big difference in the two lights now. It's crazy how I didn't think this thing was gonna work, but it did. It's crazy how much cleaner my left side headlight is compared to my right side now. Oh man, dude, I need to stop like putting it in my mouth. So guys, that was the headlight restoration tutorial or whatever. I don't even know. I just did it just to do it because I really needed to clean that headlight. But now I got to clean the other one. So I'll probably do that later. I'm not gonna show y'all, you already know. But anyways, I'll see y'all Sunday morning because we are going to Houston and we're gonna have a blast. So I'll see y'all then.